Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma kari to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and this is your NCERT series for CBSE 9, and we are doing topic polynomials. So in this class, we'll be solving exercise 2.4, question number 1, right? So this is like the best solution which we can provide right now. So your aim right now is to left to only study, because we are providing you with the solutions also. So whatever problem, whatever question you are facing difficulty, just write the exercise number and the question number, you will get the solution for it. So slowly we'll be covering the whole NCERT. Okay, so the question, this is on page number 43, okay, and the exercise 2.4, question number 1. It says determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 as a factor. So out of these polynomial, which of the following will have x plus 1 as a factor? So beta, I know that if x plus 1 is a factor, if x plus 1 is a factor, then what will be the 0? So make this factor equal to 0. So you will be getting x is equal to minus 1. So I can say x minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 is a 0. If x plus 1 is a factor of any polynomial, that means x is equal to minus 1 will be the 0 of that polynomial. That is, the value of the polynomial at x is equal to minus 1 must be equal to 0. Wherever it will be satisfied, I will say that part, that polynomial has x is equal to minus 1 as a 0. So the factor will be shift minus 1 over there, x plus 1 as a factor, right? So let's see for which of the polynomials x is equal to minus 1 is a 0. Wherever x is equal to minus 1 is a 0, x plus 1 will be a factor. We know how to convert factor to 0, 0 to factor. Okay, so the first one, let us see find out the value of this polynomial at x is equal to minus 1. So p of minus 1 for this will be minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1, minus 1 is minus 1 only, plus 1. So you can clearly see minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0, right? So x is equal to minus 1 is a 0 of this polynomial. So I can say, sir, for the first one, x plus 1 is a factor of it. X plus 1 is a factor of it. Second part, beta, let us try p at minus 1, value of the second polynomial at minus 1. So minus 1 raised to the power 4 plus minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. So you are getting minus 1 raised to the power 4 is 1, minus 1 cube is minus 1 into plus is again minus 1, then again plus 1, then minus 1 plus 1. This to this cancelled, this to this cancelled, but we are left with 1 at the end. So the value of the second polynomial at x is equal to minus 1 is equal to 1. That means x is equal to minus 1 is not a 0. So x plus 1 will not be a factor. So second one does not have that as a factor. Third part, dekho, value at x is equal to minus 1 will be minus 1 raised to the power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 raised to the power 4 is 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. है ना? Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Minus 1 square, negative into negative will become positive. So minus 1 square is 1. 1 into 3 is plus 3. Plus into minus is again minus 1 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 3 got cancelled. 1 minus 1 got cancelled. But again, I am left with 1. So value of this polynomial also at x is equal to minus 1 is equal to 1. That means here also, this x plus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial. X plus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial because x is equal to minus 1 is not a 0. And then the fourth one, value at minus 1 for the fourth polynomial will be, we have got first one is a factor, second one is not, third one also is not. The fourth one will be minus 1 cube into then minus of minus 1 square. Dekhna, negative is outside the x square, so minus, and x is minus 1, so minus 1 square minus 2 plus root 2 into x is what, minus 1 plus root 2. Got it? So minus 1 cube is equal to minus 1 only. Minus 1 square is 1. But 1 into, again the outside the bracket there is one more minus. So 1 into minus 1 will again become minus 1. Correct? Then if I multiply this negative or this minus 1 into this negative, negative into negative will become positive. So plus 2 plus root 2. Okay, and here also we have root 2. So देखो minus 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 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 and plus 2 will be 0. But we are left with 2 root 2. So the fourth one also is not a solution. Fourth one also does not have x plus 1 as a factor. So only the first polynomial has x plus 1 as their factor. Only the first polynomial has x plus 1 as their factor. Got it? So this is how this question will be solved. So I hope all of you understood the solution. Very easy. Just from the factor find out the 0 and that check that value of x is whether the 0 of that polynomial or not. Got it? So बस आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you so much. Those who want to register for the Vedantu subscription, you are more than welcome to join this. Go to the link vdnt.in/ytpro and apply the coupon code GPPRO to get 15% discount. Flat 15% discount. ठीक है? You have an option to choose for 1 month, 3 month or 6 month subscription, and here in the enter coupon code apply GPPRO. Apply GPPRO and you will get 15% off in 1 month, 3 month as well as 6 months. Everywhere the coupon code is applicable. The only thing is if you will take the number of the course for more number of months, the price per month will be less. For example, the 6 months course is available at this price, so if you divide it by 16 you will get 1600 something, and for 1 month it is 2300 something. So you can clearly see the difference between the both prices, right? So if you take more number of months, the price per month reduces. Also important thing कि यार ज़्यादा टाइम तक हमारे साथ में हो तो more strong preparation, rock solid preparation you will be getting. Got it, beta? So this is the link and this is the code. Thank you so much for joining the session. If you have loved the solution, if you have understood it, please don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. This is all from my side. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.